A very good morning, 7th standard. This is block 13, lesson plan 2, India's government. So get ready with your content book, worksheet, notebook, and the stationery that is required. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. Tell me, if you were to frame the rules for a sports or music club, how would you do it? Might be you will answer me. We would first make a rough draft of the rules and share it with the rest of the members before deciding on the final rules. So, yes, in the same way, today we will learn about how the Indian Constitution was drafted. Now, read the section Drafting of the Indian Constitution, copy the table to your notebook, and fill in the columns. The table is drawn in the next slide. Here is the table. You can copy it as it is written. You can pause the video here, do whatever is asked to do, come back and join me so that we can discuss more of the questions. I hope you had done it. Now, based on your reading, here comes the first question. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. And who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. Which bodies were formed to draft the Constitution? The Constitution Assembly and few committees, including the drafting committee, was formed to draft the Constitution. What are the few features of the Indian Constitution? The Indian Constitution is written and is the longest constitution in the world. It has a preamble or an introduction which sets the national goals of the country and describes the nature of our government. The next question is, how was the Indian Constitution drafted? After India achieved freedom from British rule, our leaders felt the need to have a constitution that would lay down the rules to govern the country. The Constitution Assembly was formed in 1946 with about 299 members. What might have happened as the first step? When assembly was formed, this assembly then formed different committees. Then what the second step and the third step? A drafting committee with 6 members was formed. The drafting committee presented a draft of the constitution to the Constituent Assembly. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and finally came into force on 26 January 1950. What kind of challenges do you think the framers of Constitution must have faced while drafting it? It must have been difficult to come up with a set of guidelines that would address the needs and demands of a diverse country like India, with different religious regions and linguistic communities. I hope you understood it. If you do have any problem, please ask me. After reading it, complete S2 in workbook and practice question 4 to 6 and related additional question in notebook. I hope you understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.